it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I have got an unboxing of this month's Lookfantastic beauty box. So yes, we are unboxing July's Lookfantastic beauty box. First thing, this box doesn't seem its regular shape. So I'm guessing maybe we've got a special box. I'll be honest, I don't think I've seen the box. When it arrived, I thought, oh, I think I've seen the design. I think it's shells, but I think that's glossy box. My glossy box hasn't arrived. I've not had a dispatch yet, so I don't know when that'll be coming. This just says July beauty box, UK night. Don't know what that means. So yes, I have not unboxed this yet. So firstly, if you are new to Lookfantastic, let me tell you about their beauty box. Basically, it's a monthly subscription beauty box, and inside we get 6 different treats. Lookfantastic tends to be quite skincare heavy, but we do get lots of other bits and bobs in there. I'll be completely honest, I've been underwhelmed by the last few months of boxes. However, I have often said it's my favourite beauty subscription because the brands and the products are usually really good, but the last 2 months have let me down. So I've got everything crossed that today is going to be a good unboxing. I haven't seen anything. I do believe the sneak peek is an LMS product, so I'm hoping it's going to be good. Okay, so if you want to subscribe to Lookfantastic, it will cost you £15 per month if you just subscribe 1 month at a time. If you want to subscribe for 3 months at a time, it'll cost you £14.50. And if you want to subscribe for 6 months, it will cost you just £13.75 per month. Or if you want to subscribe for 12 months, which is a subscription that I have, it costs me just £13 per month, which isn't bad, so I can't complain too much because I do get some good stuff. Okay, without further ado then, let's get this month's box open. Where's the little, there it is. Woo! Ooh, okay. So, first things first, well, we get a free Graze box if we want one. We get a little leaflet every month that tells us about the products, and there's also various different articles and bits and bobs in there. It's nice to have a little look. Only complaint I have is that they don't include the prices of the products anymore, which I think is a real shame because you feel like you're getting value for money if they're telling you how much everything's worth. Unless they're putting rubbish products in like they did last month. Just saying. But we get a little beauty box bag. How cute is that? And then the front is see-through, so there's a very quick sneak peek of our products. Okay, so this month is the Wanderlust edition by the look of it. Da, da, da. Yeah, the Wanderlust bag. So we get a free beauty bag instead of a box this month. Firstly, that's exciting. I don't need one, but it's nice. I've got a stash of the boxes. I have no idea what I'm doing with. I do use some of them for storage, but obviously got quite a lot. I might take some into work actually, and get some of the guys I work with to decorate them and things. Might be interesting. But basically this is just kind of saying, with countries reopening for tourists and the global COVID vaccine rollout, holidays, whether abroad or a staycation, are on the cards this summer. So basically it sounds like they're gearing us up, getting us some bits and bobs that's going to be good to go on holiday with. How do you feel about holidays again? It's a weird one, isn't it? It really is. Okay, so the very first product then we get is a Revlon lipstick. So what is it? It says it's a creamy lipstick that adds a pop of natural colour to your pout. It's infused with liquid silk formula that seals in both pigment and softness for a lip look that is long lasting and doesn't crack or flake. It says just to apply directly from the bullet to the lips for an intense colour payoff. For something more subtle, apply a small amount to your finger and then dab onto the lips. And their expert tip is to rub some of the lipstick onto the back of your hand using a dense face brush, then apply to the cheeks as a blusher to match your makeup. So the colour on the packaging looks very neutral. The colour on the box looks very dark. It's saying it's rosé wine. Okay, let's open it. I can't try it on because I have got lipstick on, obviously. My lips aren't usually this colour. Yeah, let's try it. Okay, so yeah, it's not as red as the bottom would give it. It's a creme lipstick. I don't tend to wear a lot of lipsticks. This is a Maybelline like crayon thing. Right, let's try it on my hand. I do like the colour of that though. I think it's kind of like a buildable thing. It's quite a natural colour. It's got that hint of like a peachy red in there. I do quite like that though. It's kind of my colour, so I will give that a try. Okay, I actually thought I couldn't find the next product. Turns out it's just because it was under things, and it is the world's tiniest little liquid highlighter from Illamasqua. There's 2 mils in this. So what is it? It is a liquid highlighter taking inspiration from the brand's Beyond Highlighting powder that will give you a striking strobe like glow, globe like straw, mix into your base makeup for a natural luminosity, or apply directly onto the high points of your face for a champagne glowy finish. It says how to use, but that's pretty much told you, hasn't it? Okay, Illamasqua, great brand. I love their Beyond, is it Beyond? The primer. Love them. Hydrofix. Is it Hydrofix? Anyway, like their primer. This though has seemed to be a theme with Lookfantastic. It's a very small product. A very, very small product. It might be nice. In fact, to hell with it. Oh, it's sealed. If it's sealed, I always feel like I need to wait. So maybe I'll wait. I might do it on a Try It Tuesday type of a thing. I haven't done many Try It Tuesdays recently. Just been a little busy. I haven't actually been too well. And then various bits and bobs, life gets in the way. And then I kind of want to put out videos like this sooner rather than later. Of course, you know, while the box is still available, still early in the month, if you want to know things about it, like different bits and bobs. That's why I kind of do Try It Tuesday sometimes a little late. I'm blabbing on. Okay, so yeah, not bad. Like Illamasqua, would like this. It's very small. It's a type of size that I would expect in like a Feel Unique pick and mix. Haven't got one of them in a while, but still. Next we have a product from Starskin. Quite a nice brand from what I've tried. Haven't tried an awful lot from them, but I do like it. And this is their 7-second luxury all day mask. And it's 7-in-1 Miracle Skin Mask Pads. Okay, not convinced. It's got 1 treatment in there. Okay, so what is it? It says a miracle 7-step skincare regime in 1 handy pad that combines Starskin's famous 7-second morning and overnight masks. This double-sided cleansing pad works to hydrate and refresh your complexion as it cleans for a quick but effective skincare. It's got in there glycerin, niacinamide, grapeseed extract, berry seed extract. It says to massage the textured side of the pad all over the face and then flip over to complete the skincare step by swiping the smooth side across the skin. And it says you follow with your serums and moisturiser. Again, it's kind of a nice product, but it's like one use kind of face pad kind of a thing. Might be really nice, but again, it just seems like a very small kind of, probably not very expensive product. It's just a little add-on. It's not like a moisturiser or a serum. It's just a little quick whoop, 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 and that's it. So I don't feel like it's going to get like all the benefits, but the 7-in-1. So it says it's a massage, it's an exfoliator, a toner, a serum, a moisturiser, a mask, and a makeup primer. And yet you have to follow it with your serums and moisturisers. I was really hoping I'd like this month's box. We're halfway through. The best thing so far has been the box. Okay, next, and this does redeem everything a little bit. It's from Elemis. I love Elemis. It's from the superfood. Can't speak today. What's going on? It is from their superfood range, which is really nice, and it is their glow priming moisturizer. I do like the superfood range. I haven't tried this one, so let's find out what is it. It is. It says want dewy, glowing skin. Who doesn't? This Elemis priming moisturizer is here to give you a smooth, radiant complexion, or give you the smooth, radiant complexion of your dreams. High claims. Blended with nourishing ingredients that will also brighten your skin. Perfect to use as a daily moisturizer, a primer, or as a natural base. So it sounds really nice. It's obviously on a morning, pop it on your face. I really like Elemis, so I can't complain about this one. We get 20 mils in here. I thought it was going to be smaller. This was a preview last month. So it's not too bad of a size. Could be bigger, but Elemis is an expensive brand. I'm happy with that. I'm really happy with that. Next, we've got a product from Grow Gorgeous. It is their Defense Anti-Pollution Leave-In Spray. Okay, what is it? A protective hair mist that shields your hair from heat damage, colour fade, and external aggressors. It's vegan friendly and formulated without parabens, sulfates or silicons. Especially great for greasy hair that is prone to product build-up. It has in there green tea extracts, sunflower extracts and vitamin B5, and it says to spray onto towel, dried hair, comb through and then style as normal. It's got 60 mils. It's not a product I felt I was missing in my hair care, and when I saw it I was a bit like, eh. But it's saying there it kind of protects your hair from damage and colour fade. My hair's purple at the minute. It's kind of useful. It is starting to fade. It's a washout one, so it's probably not going to stop it from washing out. So I don't really know what I'm talking about. Yeah, not a product I need. It's kind of nice, but oh, dear me. Okay, that's 1 out of 5 so far that I'm happy with. Oh, let's see what number 6 is. Let's see. Okay, number 6. So what is it? It's from Mine, Tan Body and Skin, and it is a face and body tan mist. We got 30 mils. Right, what is it? So, a refreshing face and body spray which acts as a gradual tanner to give you a bronzy glow this summer. With a lightweight formula that is instantly absorbed and zero fake tan smell, this gradual tanner is suitable for face and body, and is perfect for that golden glow. It's got in there cucumber, citric acid, jojoba oil and a macadamia seed oil. You hold the bottle at least 15 centimetres away from the face and body to spray evenly, blah, 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 blah. Okay, firstly, 30 mils. I don't feel like this is going to give you a good gradual all over your body kind of a spray. I've had these Mind Tan, whatever they're called, brands stuff before, and I do tend to find they are quite expensive for what you get. Fake tan isn't something I usually do. I tend to tan quite well. Just walking the dogs and sitting in the garden a little bit has given me a good tan at the moment, so I don't feel like I need it. I do slather my face in more SPF than the body, so part of me's like, oh, I could maybe use it on my face. But I'm not a big fan of tanning stuff. A gradual tan, 30 mils. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not a bad product. It's just not necessarily a for me product. Right, guys, let's do it. Let's have a little rundown of this month's products. Oh, look fantastic. I want to love you so much. Right, firstly, the bag. The bag is a nice little extra. I think we've got one last year. And if I remember correctly, it's pretty much this colour last year's. And it's still sat. I haven't used it. I don't think it had the handle though. Or maybe it did. I don't know, but it's pretty much the same bag. I haven't used last year's. Oh no, last year's I think was clear on both sides. It is useful though. It is nice to get something other than a box. Even if I just pass it along to somebody, or I might find a use for it. Who knows? But it's a nice little extra to have. Okay, inside then. Our first product was a lipstick. A Revlon lipstick. It's not going to break the bank. It's nice. I don't know how it'll wear lipstick. I tend to find I like to wear the ones that last. I know it's going to last a while because it's going to be constant reapplying. And obviously with masks and things, which are kind of leaving. So maybe it is more useful during this time. I'm reaching for things to be positive about this box for. This thing is ridiculously small. It is literally, I think, my finger might be bigger than the actual product. Okay. This again, bit, yeah. It's a 1 use, 7-second thing. Might be marvellous, who knows, but it's got 1 use. Elemis, Yay! We've got a product I really like. Or I hope I really like. I haven't actually tried it, but I have not had anything from Elemis that I haven't loved, so there's that. Product for the hair kind of sounds nice. Also sounds like something I might not need. It doesn't even like claim to be like heat protectant, did it? I can't remember. Oh, it just says it protects your hair from heat damage, but the fact it doesn't really big that up doesn't make me think it's like it's an anti-pollution spray. Something I don't need, but it's an extra step to my routine. And then we've got the face and body tan mist. Again, not something I need. Might try it on my face and neck because, like I said, I do tend to go a bit heavier on that SPF on my face and neck area. So I do tend to have a darker tan on my chest and things than I do elsewhere. So this one's box. Oh, not box. This one's bag. It's still the beauty box. Okay. Thoughts. I genuinely want to love Lookfantastic. Why can't I speak today? So much because I really enjoyed it. I've recommended it to people. Again, everybody's different though. Some people might get this bag and be like, woohoo, it's the best bag ever. I don't think it's bad. I don't think it's a massively bad box. It's maybe better than the last 2 months have been. Its redeeming features are the fact that it's got this nice little box. The fact that I can probably use everything inside is good. The fact it's got an Elemis product, I love it. I've lost the bloody little, this thing again. I keep thinking I've lost it. It's that small. So it's not bad. It's not great. Please drop me a comment and let me know what you think. I want to know, am I being overly negative about these boxes? Or is this month's a bit Let me know what you think. Please let me know what you think. I'll be looking forward to seeing other people's opinions and I might, unboxings on this. Right, let's find the sneak peek for next month and cross all our fingers it's a good sneak peek. Okay, so look, I've got lipstick on the back of the box. Right, what's coming up then? We have a product from Ciate. Good brand, so it's off to a good start. So, what is it? Our August box is here to celebrate all things coming together, finally. Okay? Plus, you'll get another specifically designed box next month. You lucky thing. So I'm guessing we get another like special design box or something similar to this. Who knows? Interesting already. So the sneak peek is that we get a Ciate Glow to Illuminating Blush. And it says to get a natural flush of colour and an enviable glow with this marble illuminating blusher. With a lightweight finish, it's ideal for any makeup look. Blah, 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 blah. It's worth £11.60. Actually looks really nice. So hopefully the rest of the products and the box match up. So yeah, no, it's kind of a nice one. I've just started a new blush at the moment, but I'll try it. Okay, so that's this month's unboxing of the Lookfantastic Beauty Box. Please drop me a comment and let me know what you think. If you love it, please don't be afraid to say. And if you enjoyed this month's unboxing, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I do a Lookfantastic and a Glossy Box unboxing every month, as well as various other bits and bobs. So please stick around. Okay guys, until next time, thank you so much for watching. Take care and I will see you soon. Bye bye.